Hello everyone. So today we're going to draw a crab. So first we'll go ahead and start out with our body. So we're going to just start with the top part of the body. Just kind of curve around like that. And then we're going to do the bottom part of the body. So kind of like a sideways, like stretched out oval, like that. So next we're going to go ahead and do the eyes. So we're going to do the eyes on these little like stalks. So the eyes are just going to come out from the body like that. And then we're just going to go ahead and draw two big circles and then the pupil in the middle. So just kind of like make a really big pupil in there. So like that. We're going to go do the other one. Try to make it similar size. Try to make it as close as you can. So like that, and then the pupil in the middle. We add that little shine part on the eye. We're gonna color all this in black anyways later, so kind of like that. No, it actually looks a little bit bigger than that one, but yeah, that's good. And then we're gonna go ahead and give our crab a smile. So we're gonna give him a little smile like that. And we are going to add the claws, so coming up here. So we're just gonna do like that on each side, like that. And then he's gonna have his claws kind of like in the air. So it's kind of like little segments like this. And then another one, they don't have to be the exact same size. And then we're just gonna add the pinchers on the top here. So kind of just curve two little curved sides. And then we're gonna add these little like triangular little shapes. So like that. And just kind of like that. And then we're gonna do the same on this side. So like that. And then like that. And then just little triangles like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and do the legs. So we're gonna add 3 little legs on each side. So we're gonna do like those little segments like we just did, and then we're just gonna have them come down like this to a point. So we're gonna add 3 on each side. They all can be generally the same size, but they're gonna kind of go a little bit smaller as they get closer to the bottom of the body. So like that, and then just like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and do the other side like this, and then go down like that. And then we're gonna add another one, and then down like that to a point. So they're kind of like little segments. And then one more. So like kind of like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and add some sand on the bottom because our crab is crawling around the sand. Just make sure all the little, and then like little dots in the sand. We're gonna add those with our black marker. So now we're gonna take our black marker and then just outline everything. Do the sand first, and we're gonna add some black dots in the sand with our black marker, and then we're gonna also add some brown dots later. So like that. We'll go ahead and do the body. Just go around and outline everything. And add our smile. Go ahead and do our eyes. Gotta be a little careful if you're using a thick black marker like I am. And then our pupils. Just be careful, make sure you add that little shiny part in the center, like that. And then the other side, you gotta be careful, like that. and then the pupil in the middle. And we're gonna kind of do it towards the center because the other one is kind of towards the center. A little bit smaller, kind of like that. A little bit smaller. And then we're gonna go and do our claws. And then like that. And then we'll go ahead and do our other side. Like that. And like that. All right, and then lastly, we'll go ahead and do the bottom legs. It's coming down into the sand like that. Last little leg on this side. And then our other ones on the other side. And then our last one right here. All right, so just like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and take our eraser and erase all of our pencil lines before we, oh wait, I gotta outline that part in between the eye and the little stalk. Forgot that little part. Go ahead and erase everything. We're gonna go ahead and color our crab. So I'm gonna color my crab. I'm coloring it red. I mean, really, crabs usually aren't red until you cook them. They're usually like either like a blue or a gray or, but just for, when you see like a picture of a crab or a drawing of a crab, they're usually red. So we're gonna use a red marker. We're just gonna use this really bright red marker for our entire crab. So our entire body is gonna be this color. Of course, you can color it any color that you want. If you wanna make it a gray crab, if you wanna make it a blue crab. And blue crabs are really common in my side of the world. So whatever you wanna do, it's fine. You can also make it a strange color. You wanna make a pink or, pink or green or whatever your favorite color is. And we'll then color our legs. Color our claws up here. And our other claws up here. And rest of the claw. And then our little legs at the bottom. All right, and next we're gonna go ahead and color the sand at the bottom. We're not gonna color the whole bottom, just kind of outline that and then go ahead and color this. Color all this, like a dark yellow. If you want to use it, you can use any color that you want really. Or any color, yellow or white. There's white sand, there's brown sand, And sand technically isn't really yellow, but, we're just gonna use this yellow for this drawing. All right, and then also in addition to those little black dots that we have, we're gonna go ahead and add some brown dots just to make it more, looking like a sandy beach. So add a few black or brown dots to that also. All right, and so that is it. So that is how you draw a crab walking on the beach. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I have a lot more videos on my page and a lot more to come. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.